Hey, it's Noe with WTI. And if you're an outdoors person like me, or want something that's easily accessible while on the go, then you'll want to check out this folding camping table from LEADALLWAY. I love that this is a roll top table, and even though it's lightweight, it's very durable and can hold a lot. The height of this table is perfect. We've taken it camping, to the lake, on the beach. I've even put my barbecue on it, and it's the perfect height to keep things off the ground, yet also allows easy access. This table comes in multiple sizes. I love that it's packable and doesn't take up a lot of space. I've even used this table indoors while hosting larger parties where I needed extra space. This table saved me. I also appreciate that it comes with a net that allows you to store other goods underneath. So if you've been looking for a roll top table and want something that's easy to set up and can go with you on all your adventures and create the space you need, then I would highly recommend this folding camping table from LEADALLWAY. And that's my point of view.